Hello and welcome back. In the previous clips we have unboxed the Wireless Go 2 system from Rode. We are using this system to film the video right now. By itself it's a pretty simple setup. You have a receiver that is connected right now to the iPhone, and you have two transmitters that are able to attach to your clothes and record the sound. The transmitters have a built-in microphone that captures the sound pretty well. The issue is that these units, even if they're light, they're not very small. So if you're dressed with something very light or you want to hide the microphone, it's very difficult. In order to address this, I decided to make a small upgrade. This is the Rode Lavalier Go. Unfortunately, I already unboxed it earlier without pressing record on the phone, so we'll continue from here. Inside you can find this leather pouch, the lavalier and the clip. So let's take this out. This clip gave me some headaches. You have no instructions telling you how to attach the microphone to this thing. In fact, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is take the clip, orient it down like this, and on this little tab you have to press. Once you press, the hole over here gets a little bit bigger. So you take the lavalier, just simply take out this protection, press on this clip, push the lavalier in. It's now fixed, it's not going anywhere, and put the cap back in. That's how easy it is. We're gonna try and make a small test. This is the lavalier that I'm using right now, is the active one. And now I have connected the Lavalier Go. All you have to do is plug this in and the system will automatically switch to the lavalier. Please let me know if there's any noticeable sound difference. All the settings on the Rode Wireless Go systems are default. I didn't play with any settings, I didn't do anything to it, so you'll be able to have an out-of-the-box experience. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.